Presenting the Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G. The phone has display of 16.64 cm, 6.55 inch, and display type, AMOLED. The phone also has Full HD Plus display. It has 64 MP plus 8 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP 32 MP front camera. It comes with 4500 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery. It has 12 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM and expandable memory up to 2 TB. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. It also features camera bokeh flare portrait video, AI highlight video, Oppo Reno Glow 2.0 and 3D borderless screen.